guys, I'm gonna sing Brain by Katelyn Tarver. I really like this song. I started listening to this a while ago, but I haven't listened to it in a while. So I'm just gonna sing it. Hold on, sorry. Okay. I'm just gonna sing it. Hold on, let me get it. Okay. Okay, here I go. Gonna sound a little weird because I have a cold still. Every single day I wanna tell you how I feel, but I never get past the butterflies, and I just don't know if I can feel. Are you really into me? 'Cause I know I'm into you, but I don't wanna take another step until you say feel too. It looks like rain, but that's alright with me. I'm standing here just looking for the chance to make you see. Sometimes a little rain is all you need, so let it come and wash all over me. Sorry, I always run out of breath. Whoa, whoa, I love this song. You can ask my friends, they'll say I'm talking all the time, but whenever you try to say hello, I freeze, and then you say goodbye. But I'm not trying to be cool, it's just that I'm a little shy, and I wanna be straight with you tonight. Wanna say that you're the one I like. It looks like rain, but that's alright with me. I'm standing here just looking for the chance to make you see. Sometimes a little rain is all you need, so let it come and wash all over me. Over and over, I try to get closer, but I always end up alone. I search for a sign that you wanna be mine, but until then I'm taking it slow. It looks like rain, but that's alright with me. I'm standing here just looking for the chance to make you see. Sometimes a little rain is all you need, so let it come and wash all over. It looks like rain, but that's alright with me. I'm standing here just looking for the chance to make you see. Sometimes a little rain is all you need, so let it come and wash all over. It looks like rain, but that's alright with me. I'm standing here just looking for the chance to make you see. Sometimes a little rain is all you need, so let it come and wash all over. It looks like rain, but that's alright with me. I'm standing here just looking for the chance to make you see. Sometimes a little rain is all you need, so let it come and wash all over me. Thanks for watching. Bye.